Welcome back to another private pilot vlog. Hope you're well. Hope you enjoy this flight back to Wellesbourne after an amazing day on the Isle of Wight. Now sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
Bembridge traffic, Golf Bravo, Yankee Sierra Papa, taxis that hold for 1-2.
Left, clear right.
Everyone okay?
Everybody's fine here?
I'm good, thank you. Good, good, good.
Bembridge traffic, Yankee Papa, rolling 1-2.
There he goes. Nothing on the approach there, is there? Not that I can see.
No.
Bembridge traffic, Golf Bravo, Yankee Sierra Papa's backtracking runway 12.
They're just making blind calls at the moment because there's no one here.
Yeah.
So anyone that is coming in back into Bembridge, they just need to address it.
Yeah.
Bembridge traffic, and they should be on the frequency just so they know what's going on. Just like we do at Bolted, really.
Yeah.
So we're going to take off, we're going to head back to Binnaker, and then just do the reverse really of where we came from. So we'll use as much as we can. Yes, finish round. Nothing else coming behind us, is it?
Oh. Yeah.
Window up. Oh. Okay, everyone ready?
Yep.
I'm good.
I'm
Okey
good.
dokey.
I'm good, yeah.
Everything looks good. Okay, hold it on the brakes.
Bembridge traffic, Golf Sierra Papa, rolling 1-2.
Airspeed's alive. The green. Go flying.
Here we go.
Turn the flaps on.
Absolutely fantastic.
Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Turn on track.
There's a big container ship
Bembridge
going
traffic,
out.
Golf Whiskey Hotel, Oscar Golf, backtracking 1-2. Oscar Golf, just 10-5. Thanks, lock.
Gone overhead the lifeboat. Yep. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fine. We'll head towards the Spinnaker. Beautiful evening.
Fabulous. Absolutely stunning.
Okay, so I'm just going to change to the Solent radar now and tell them what we're doing.
Bembridge traffic, Golf Sierra Papa, changes to Solent 120 to flight. 016.
Tell us you 5,000 feet, QNH 1016, choosing a takeover.
Solent radar, Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa.
Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa, Solent radar, pass message.
Good afternoon, we're PA28 en route from Bembridge back to Wellesbourne, currently 1200 feet climbing on 1017. I'd like to transit the edge of your airspace, if possible, please.
Golf Sierra Papa, roger, basic service, QNH is 1016, squawk 3673.
1016 and 3673, Golf Sierra Papa.
Golf Sierra Papa, what's your requested routing and are you requesting IFR VFR transit?
VFR and just via Wickham and New Holdsford, if possible, just around going around the edge, Golf Sierra Papa.
Roger, what altitude are you requesting?
3,500, Golf Sierra Papa.
Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa, roger, cleared across controlled airspace, not above altitude 4,000 feet VFR via Wickham, New Holdsford.
Helicopter pad.
Not above 4,000 feet via New Holdsford and basic service Golf Sierra Papa.
Jersey 8 Tango Romeo, turn left heading 020 degrees, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Left heading 020 degrees, descend altitude 3,000 feet, Jersey 8 Tango Romeo.
Oh, hello. Can you hear me, Pete?
Yeah.
Oh, right. So there's a helicopter pad down on that fort.
On that one, yeah.
Golf Foxtrot Lima, leaving controlled airspace, now the Solent service terminates, squawk 7000, free call over to Farnborough 125.250, goodbye.
Squawk 7000, free call, Farnborough 125.250, Golf Foxtrot Lima.
I'll take a cheeky photo.
Golf Sierra Papa, squawk cadent.
Squawk cadent, Golf Sierra Papa.
Nice ride.
Lovely. I've driven up that road a few times. Good view of Port Solent this way. This marina down here, Adam,
Yeah.
a lot of people who've got houses.
Oh yeah, I've been there.
With boats and
Yeah,
stuff,
yeah,
yeah.
I've been there. It's great. I think it's Solent Marina, isn't it, or something like that?
Port Solent,
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice and quiet now. Compared to earlier.
Very much so.
Got less rattle on the radio.
Yeah. Let's just what's Farnborough? We'll put that in next. 125, is it?
125.25.
Okay.
Golf Sierra Papa, just entering controlled airspace, now radar control service, but just be advised you're on the very base of controlled airspace, so there may be aircraft operating 100 feet below.
Engine controlled airspace and basic service, keeping a good lookout, Golf Sierra Papa.
Yeah, still keep a good lookout if you can.
Yeah.
But all being well, we should be back by 2:45.
47.
Yeah.
Golf Sierra Papa, continue now, not above altitude 3,000 feet VFR. There will be traffic vectored shortly downwind left hand for runway 20, descending to 1,000 feet above.
Not above 3,000 and Golf Sierra Papa.
So it's good afternoon, Jersey 9 November Papa, descending flight level 80, our dash 8 Delta with the 1620 weather.
Jersey 9 November Papa, Solent radar RT information, kilo, it is a 1650 weather, is now current, there's no change from the 1620, vectors ILS approach, runway 20, number 1.
XILS 20 number 1, Jersey 9 November Papa.
Jersey 9 November Papa, descend flat level 70.
Sorry, second.
Descend flat level 70.
Descend flight level 70, Jersey 9 November Papa.
He's getting around above us somewhere.
Going to Southampton.
Yeah. Dash 8 propeller.
Dash 8.
Golf Sierra Papa, you can make a left turn, but no further less than 360 degrees.
Left turn, no less than 360, Golf Sierra Papa.
Confirm that dash 8, 3 miles southwest of your position, about to turn base shortly.
Roger, Golf Sierra Papa.
Jersey 9 November Papa, left turn heading 280 degrees for left base.
Left lane 280 degrees, Jersey 9 November Papa.
KLM 920, contact London 134.125, goodbye.
34125, Jersey 920, goodbye.
Jersey 9 November Papa, continue at left turn heading of 240 degrees, when established in the localizer, descend on the glide path.
Left lane 240 degrees, when established localized from the glide, Jersey 9 November Papa.
Golf Sierra Papa, radar control service for the next half a mile.
Radar control, next half mile, Golf Sierra Papa.
Thanks, at dash 8, southwest of your position by 3 miles, at just turning onto the ILS southbound, so clear.
Copy that, Golf Sierra Papa.
Jersey 9 November Papa, previously mentioned Cherokees, northeast of your position, now well clear.
Definitely hitting some thermals, aren't we?
Golf Sierra Papa, you can resume on navigation now direct for Bullington Cross. Just leaving controlled airspace so the Solent service terminates. Squawk 7000 and free call over to Farnborough radar 125.250. Goodbye.
Squawk 7000, thanks for your service and good evening.
Good evening.
Farnborough radar, Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa.
Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa, Farnborough radar. Good afternoon, post message.
Good afternoon, RPA 28 on the route back from Bembridge to Wellesbourne, currently 2,500 and 1016. Request traffic service if possible.
Golf Sierra Papa, basic service only due to control of work code and traffic density. Squawk 0432, QNH 1016, basic service.
0432 and QNH 1016, Golf Sierra Papa, basic service.
So we're just heading back to Newbury Racecourse.
Fabulous how quick you cover the distance, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah. I think it's more relaxing on a night like this.
Yeah.
Than how intense the traffic was on the way down, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Golf Sierra Papa, Squawk 7000, free call en route, bye bye.
Squawk 7000 and thank you for your service, man. Good night.
Thank you very much.
Brize Zone, Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa.
Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa, Brize Zone.
Good evening, we're PA 28 on the route back from Bembridge to Wellesbourne, 2,800 and 1016, and request zone transit via Farnborough Reservoir, please. Farnborough Reservoir, pardon. Golf Sierra Papa.
Golf Sierra Papa, Squawk 3702, what type of service outside control airspace?
3702 and traffic service if possible, please.
Golf Sierra Papa, now identified RG 2008 feet 1016, cleared VFR transit post controlled airspace, no altitude restriction.
Cleared transit airspace, no altitude restriction. Golf Sierra Papa, thank you.
Golf Sierra Papa, entering controlled airspace, radar control, remain Victor Mike Charlie.
Remain Victor Mike Charlie, Golf Sierra Papa.
Big reservoir, isn't it? Got a good sized sailing club on it.
Golf Sierra Papa, leaving controlled airspace, traffic service.
Leaving controlled airspace, traffic service, Golf Sierra Papa.
Will Wellesbourne
Golf Sierra Papa, your position is Wellesbourne 1708 miles, no traffic between yourself and Wellesbourne, Squawk 7000, and free call Wellesbourne on 124.025.
Squawk 7000 and 124.025, thank you for your service, good evening.
Back to 7000,
Yeah,
Captain.
thank you.
Wellesbourne traffic, Golf Bravo Yankee Sierra Papa. PA 28, just 4 miles south of the field. We'll be joining downwind for runway 18 right hand.
Hi, I understand we're using 36.
Okay, we'll join long final for 36.
Okay, and uniform hotels lining up 36.
Oh, needs to descend further.
Is the same runway we used, or is it not?
No, we took off
Oh,
the other way, which is great, really, for us.
Great.
Yeah.
Golf. Wellesbourne traffic, Golf Sierra Papa's long final for runway 36.
Make a flap in.
traffic, Bolton Hotels, departing Circus to the east.
And Wellesbourne traffic, Golf Sierra Papa, short final for 36.
Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Welcome back to Wellesbourne, gents.
Well done.
Very
Next
smooth.
move. Excellent. Very marvellous. What a great day.
Glad you've enjoyed it.
Oh, it's just unbelievable. Can't believe it, can you? 15 minutes ago we were on the Isle of Wight.
It's great to be able to share it with you.
It's brilliant.
Where we go next?
Thank you for watching if you've got this far. If you enjoy my vlogs, please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. And I'll see you very soon.
Okay.